This project was for the refurbishment of a council chamber, the North Hertfordshire District Council, and they required a complete outfit from the grounds up of all of their audio-visual systems in their council chamber. Obviously, this kind of installation is very complex. It had to be done to the highest standard because this is a council, it's local government. Equipment-wise, we have installed in here 60 Auditel Diplomat digital microphones plumbed into a 100-volt line PA loudspeaker system using column line array loudspeakers. We also have 90-inch LED flat panels which are installed for displaying presentations and other such content. And then to control all of that, we have an AV infrastructure installed which is controlled by a very user-friendly 7-inch touch panel. One of the things that was crucial for this system to have was a card reader on each microphone unit. And what that offers is for the delegate then to be identified using a card, which means that they can flexibly sit wherever they want to in the room, so that when it comes to doing things like electronic voting or recording or camera tracking, any delegate can sit in any position by using that card and inserting it into the microphone unit. Auditel is a perfect fit for councils or any other organisation who runs decision-making meetings because we are very much specialists in this sector and we understand how the formal meeting environment works and how the meetings are run.